straight line from two given points with abscissa and ordinates for each one. So we have two given points. We have a point A and point B. Now point A with abscissa x and ordinate y, and point B with abscissa 4 and ordinate 6. So we plot the points A and B, and we draw a straight line which passing through the 2 points A and B. But the general form of the equation, when we calculate and we substitute in the rules, we get the straight line which is similar and identical to this form, which is equal y equal x plus b. So let's substitute in the formula y minus ya over x minus xa, which is equal or identical to yb minus ya over xb minus xa. So what about this ratio? This ratio is equal to the slope of the straight line AB, to the slope of the straight line that passing through the 2 points. So the difference of y and the difference of x. So this ratio can give us the slope of the straight line which passes through the straight line AB. Now let's substitute the abscissa and the ordinate of A and the abscissa and the ordinate of B. So y minus ya equal to 3 over x minus xa, which is equal to 2. Abscissa equal to 2 equal yb minus ya, which is yb equal 6 and y equal 3. yb minus ya over xb minus xa, which is equal to 4 minus 2. Now the final result equals 6 minus 3, which is equal to 3, and 4 minus 2, which is equal to 2. So the slope of the straight line y equal x plus b equal 3 over 2. This is what we mean by point A. Now let's make a calculation. Now we want to multiply 2 by y minus 3 and 3 by x minus 2 by this term, like this. Now cross across 2 by 3 minus y, which is equal to what? 2y minus 6, which is identical to, equal to 3 by x minus 2, which is equal to 3x minus 6. Now let's review. Y minus ya over x minus xa, yb minus ya over xb minus xa, ya equal 3 and xa equal 2, yb equal 6 and ya equal 3 over xb equal 4 minus xa equal 2. Now 6 minus 3, which is equal to 3, and 4 minus 2 equal 2. Now we have now 2y minus 6 equal 3x minus 6. 2 by y equal 2y, and 2 by 3, which is equal to how much? 2 by 3 equals 6. And similarly, when we multiply 3 by x, we get 3x, and 3 by minus 2, we get minus 6. Now collect like terms or arrange in the form to be 3x minus 6 plus 6. So now we want y, we want the coefficient here to be 1. So we divide the left side and the right side by the coefficient of y, this 2. So we get how much? When we divide by 2 and divide by 2 the right side and the left side, we get how much? Y over 3 over 2x, and this is 6 minus 6 plus 6, which is equal to 0, plus 0. So what is the result here? We have b equal to 0, which means that the straight line passes through the origin. Find the point 0, 0. So the point 0, 0. So also the straight line passing through A and B and many points, and one of these points, the most important, that is a P or origin, we can name it as an origin 0, 0. So y equal 3 over 2x plus 0. Finally, y equal 3 over 2x. This is the final result. Now, this one is identical to this one, but we have b equal to 0. Why? Because pass through the origin. Now, we have to know many kinds of the equation of straight line. We can get uh, many equations that are similar to this one. Sometimes b equal to 0, sometimes a equal to 0, that y equal a number which is a straight line parallel to x-axis. Now, but with respect to our straight line, this is the formula, and we substitute by x and y the abscissa and ordinate. We get the final result, or the final form, y equal 3 over 2x, which is identical to y equal ax and b equal 0.